Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly start with Druid Chatbot. All we need is community account created. This was described in the article linked under this video. And I am on the login website with my tenant created. And now I'm gonna log in with okay. We are on the main screen of Druid Platform, and let's start straight from here. There are two things that we need to configure. First one is we need to create a bot, a chatbot, and then we need to create a solution for this chatbot. Starting with creating a new chatbot, I go here and choose add new chatbot. Need to give a name for the chatbot, and the idea for this session is that we create a kind of Parrot chatbot. It will be reply with the same thing that we type in the chat. Let's call it Mr. Parrot. And of course, language should be English. Let's start with English United States. Okay. There are a couple of things to check. In general, there's a name that we can change, and actually nothing to change in general tab. Let's see language. We can actually specify additional language, so the chatbot can have built in more than one language. But you can also use machine translation. It's additional service, external, as I remember. But let's go to the another tab and theme. Um, there is okay. We have to choose a theme for our chatbot. We can also add avatar, but not in this case. And below we've got HTML code that can be added to your website. NLP, um, for now, it's nothing to do in here. Uh, on this tab, we usually have to choose train when we add new flows or new Q&A flows. And in here, we're gonna have like special flows. For special situation, we can actually choose the welcome flow, the flow that will start at the beginning when the chatbot starts running. And there are like other situations where you can actually choose the flow that will respond to. And and in here we will be choosing a welcome flow. Okay. After reviewing everything, you have to you have to choose publish, and then we need to wait a while. Okay. I have one bot defined before, but it actually doesn't matter. Let's check. Ah, yeah, of course I forgot. We also have to specify the roles on the roles tab. These roles are used for set up what kind of role will have access to particular chatbot. So let's say both admin and user can have the access to this chatbot. Okay, let's check also entities, channels. That's fine. Okay, okay, we should be good. Okay, and now the chatbot is active. When I click in here, it shouldn't work yet because and it shouldn't recognize anything because I have to also set up a solution. So now when I say hi, it should, yeah, it should not understand anything. All right. Um, so we have created chatbot with name and other settings. Now we are going to create a solution. Let's call it a Parrot. Parrot. This category Parrot. Bot Mr. Parrot. Provider name is a Parrot. Let's leave it. And version number is 1.0. And let's go further. Now I'm gonna choose a solution. Here I have flows and Q&A flow. For this purpose, for the purpose of just implementing kind of echo or a parrot, we will use a standard flow. And I'm going to flows, then I create new flow, then I have to give a name for the flow. Okay, let's say the flow will have a name, Mr. Parrot. Description, let's say echo, and this is the basic name. Let's say echo as well. It's like it's a direct method that can be called, that this flow can be called and recognized. Um, Parrot. Okay, save. Once I click save, it should ask me to specify roles that can have access to a specific flow. Yes. Okay. Save and close. Okay, I have created it. Now I'm going to edit the flow. We will switch to visual view, and actually we want to start with greetings, some kind of greetings. This is first step. Add message. Hello, I am Mr. Parrot. Hello, 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 I'm Mr. Parrot. Okay, so now we are actually building a flow. Then we need to add new step. It will actually prompt for something. So there is a prompt, add prompt. Okay. General step. Okay. We prompt for message. Type prompt. We don't have to display anything because this greeting will be only on the first step, and then we'll be looping between two items, two bricks in this workflow. Input mapping. Here we will specify a variable starting with add var Message. Okay. Save. And then we'll add another one, another message. And this time in here, I want to display the message. So it will be repeating whatever it was sent to the chatbot. It will be displayed in the chat window. Step 3. So this is echo. First message echo. Okay. All right. And now we need to do something like this. We want to go back. Oh yeah. Yeah, it should work like this. Here we can actually specify a condition, but we don't have to specify anything. It will be looping over and over again. All right, save. Going back to flows, we've got one flow, and now we will go back to robot settings, special flows, and we have to choose the starting flow, which will be a Mr. Parrot. And then save and close. And that's it. Now I should. Yes, hello, I'm Mr. Parrot. Hello, hello. And how are you? Yes, and it works. Perfect. So this is very simple example of a chatbot. I will be publishing this on my website. Thank you for watching and see you soon.